Hi Kumar, am I audible? Music, yeah, I'm just decreasing it right now. Okay, now am I audible? Hello, yeah, now am I audible? Cool. Let's get into the market. Five minutes is still good, guys. I mean, 1 minute is really pathetic. Music. Is that okay? Twenty. 20.5 decibel. That should be okay. Hello, I need to hold the mic right then. Okay, आज थोड़ा प्रॉफिट कमा के माइक माउस सब खरीदना पड़ेगा. Okay, so what's the situation in Bank Nifty? Now Kumar, can you hear me? Hi guys, can you hear me? Testing 1 2 3. Let's get the show started. Come on, there's no movement. Decrease the music a bit more. Okay. Audio perfect. $23 should be fine, I believe, guys. 23 decibels, minus 23 decibels. क्या हुआ भाई? ऑडियो तो सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. Guys, can you hear the music by the way? What happened to the music? Shubhadeep, can you please tell me whether the music is coming or not? I think something is wrong again. Minus 16. Music is high. Oh, I can't hear. That's strange. Okay. Okay, my video was paused. My video was paused. Uh, okay. Now it's not coming. Yeah, I was just adjusting it. Now it's fine. 21.5 should be fine, guys. Oh, good. Yeah, it's good. Oh my god. पागल हो जाऊंगा मैं तो. चलो, let's see. Okay, it's breaking. It's breaking the level. It'll definitely go up, guys. So today the market sentiments are positive, and plus tomorrow is Republic Day. Unless कोई bomb blast होगा तो तभी हम लोग कमाएंगे. Bomb blast होगा तो भी कमाएंगे. Bomb blast नहीं भी होगा तो भी कमाएंगे. Bomb blast होगा तो पी में कमाएंगे. Any indicator for this strategy? No, Kumar, please don't use indicators. Indicators are for newbies. when when you follow indicator, and well, one indicator which I would actually recommend is the choppiness indicator. It's a leading indicator. I'll add it too if you want. Where are the studies? My bad, guys. I don't use TradingView that much. Just having to use it for this specific reason. Let me just try my Upstock account if it opens up. I did buy some Yes Bank shares. Will make position in just case of breakout. Okay. But did it sustain upwards? Shubhadeep, it didn't sustain as of yet right now. It did not sustain. It's trying to break that level, but it did not sustain. There was a rejection over here, as you can see. There was a long wick which got formed over here. So have some more patience, I would say. FX is the indicator in trading views. FX, okay. Thank you, Kumar. Let me just check it out. Indicator. Let's get indicators. Okay, let's try the choppiness indicator. CHEY. Choppy. Nee, spelling wrong. Choppiness index. We're gonna place this. Okay. Yeah, there's a resistance upwards. So guys, right now is not the time to take a trade because the choppiness indicator is suggesting that the market is choppy. This is a strangle, straddle, and all of that type of option selling scenario, not option buying scenario. Okay, now it's going up and the choppy. Okay, now it's trying to break. Now it's trying to break. Okay, you're gonna observe that. Shubhadeep, did he take a position already? Did you take a position already? Because the candle hasn't closed yet. Shubhadeep, can you hear me? He didn't take the position. Yeah, that's what. The choppy indicator is suggesting that the market is choppy, guys. Just can you see this? Can you see this indicator right over here? When it's going down, when the choppiness index is going down below this level, that this implies that the market is going on a directional trend. See, it was going down. This suggests that the market is really choppy. Now it's going down, see, and the market is trying to take a direction again, and the candle has closed, guys. Shubhadeep, the candle has closed, so I think this would be a good time to make a buying position. Yep. So guys, I'm going to take an entry right now in CE 31,600. Let's aim for 31,800 because it's coming. Okay, it couldn't sustain. Again, it couldn't sustain, but it'll go up. It'll go up. Don't worry, guys. It'll go up. I'm thinking of taking a position at 36. Okay. No. 30, it's going down again. The market is really volatile, guys. The market is really volatile. Let me check it in 10-minute time frame. It doesn't have a 10-minute. Okay, oh my god, it has dropped again. Shubhadeep, did you make a position over there? I hope you had placed an SL, bro. If it drops, it'll drop all the way down till here, till this part. Shubhadeep, did you make a position? Good. Because if it look, it's falling, and the choppiness is saying that market is going in a directional trend, either up or down. It's hugely volatile, guys. It's very difficult to find the direction today, but my view is till 1:30 the market will rise, and just after the European market opens we're gonna go for an impulse move. We're gonna place a buy order right below support, a major support, and we're gonna go for the scoop. You can also try it out by taking one lot. I'll be taking 10 lots, and I'll be going for the scoop. But again, if it goes below this level, this is the level. If it goes below this level, then we will be going for the sell side. We will be having a PE view, not a CE view anymore. Very good, Shubhadeep. Kumar, what's your status? Did you buy or sell anything? Guys, can you help me out over here? Since I'm new to this thing, can you tell me how do I add chat box over here? I mean, to this panel. Is it possible to add a chat box over here to this chart or something? Yes, Kumar, that's good. Today you should do paper trading. The market would be volatile, very volatile, and it would be actually really safe to place the order, buy order 100 or 150 points below, because if it comes down there will be huge impulses today, guys. Huge impulses. You won't believe how badly the impulse move would be. And for the touch and go strategy, it's actually a good day too, and it might even turn out to be a disaster. So I would recommend don't take anything. I have already made 4.6k in the morning, so I'm not trading right now, and since I'm totally occupied with this thing, I'm not opening any new position. But yeah, we're gonna wait. Definitely, we're gonna wait some more. Guys, do you have any holdings by the way? Super high risk reward. Yeah. Super high risk reward, guys. Because the impulse move would be so bad, it'll be like it'll just go up and down, up and down. It'll scoop up your price and go up. And you have to be very vigilant. You have to be, you know, your eyes need to be on the screen. As soon as you see the greenery, lock it, lock the stop loss, trail it, and then relax. Then let the market go wherever it is. Then relax, because it'll give an impulse move up or down, and then it'll go up or down accordingly. But my view right now is that it'll give an impulse move downwards till here. It might come down till here. The choppiness indicator is suggesting that the market is uh, the choppiness is decreasing. As you see, guys, if it goes below 40, this level 40, the choppiness, since it's a leading indicator, it detects whether the market is choppy or not. 31,654 direct to 31,510, 31,510, 654. Okay, 654 you're saying to 31,500. Am I following the spot chart? Guys, can you please confirm if I'm following the spot chart or not? Yes, I'm following the spot chart. Yes, it's already in 30. It's below 31,500. Shubhadeep, it's below 31,500. Yeah, spot only. Yeah, it's spot only. So yeah, it's below 31,500. Shubhadeep. Anyways, guys, I would like to show you my current position in this upstock too, if obviously I remember the password. 1994. So I bought some Yes Bank shares, but I was in a profit, and I tried to, sell it off, and I couldn't sell it off. I guess there's a criteria to hold it for some time, I believe so. Uh, okay, upstock is also okay. This is good. This is great. Upstock. I can also view upstock. Wow. Okay, let's go to the 5-minute time frame, and we are going to go to World War 5. Let's check where Yes Bank is. Yes. And I have my bank account in the Yes Bank too, and I was so tensed when, oh my god, I'm at a loss in the Yes Bank. Well, these banks, guys, these are the banks where you need to be really careful. While I had taken a position at 7.6, then it went up. I took a position, I guess, over here somewhere, 7.6, and it did go up, and I tried to sell it at 18, but I could not sell it. Let me just show you my PNL there. As you see, guys, in my PNL it's like showing 1000 loss, 1050 loss. And the problem with this is that when I was at a profit, I could not sell it. And even when I'm at a loss, I can't sell it. And basically my 17,600 rupees which I had invested in it is totally blocked. So we're gonna have to wait for 2 years. And let it go to 200, I believe. So this is like one of my positions which you can see over here. Let's open Angel and show you my today's position. I hope I squared off my position. Guys, do you want to see my account? Live account? Angel, today's position? Oh, hell yeah, in the chat if you want to see my position. Guys, do you want to see my position? Hell yeah, thank you Shubhadeep. Yeah, I really want to be honest, and also I would be sharing a video, my highest loss 65,000 rupees, and how, what was my mindset, how I cried, I bled, I did everything, I crawled, but I came back again. Next day, I was in the trading desk next day after making a loss of 65,000. You can show if you wish. Yeah, definitely. I just want you to, give some motivation. Hell yeah in the chat. Hell yeah, guys, if you want to see the PNL today. Forgot my ID. To check my ID. My highest loss is 37,000. Yeah, okay. 37k is also huge. Oh my god. And plus, along with the tax and brokerage, guys, when you are making a loss, never forget that there are taxes and brokerages too. And when you're making a profit, never forget that there are taxes and brokerage also. So when you're making a profit, it's low, and when you're making a loss, it's higher. Always remember that. Okay. Alright. Angel broking login. Okay, let me just check if I can log in. Okay, I can log in from here, but I can log in from the other one. Okay, sorry. Sign in. Yep. Oh, my password. Oh, I forgot my password, guys. Oh, voila, it's open. Okay, so today's position, I just hope that I squared off my position. Or did I not square off, or did I square off? Okay. Alright, so this is my position today. Net position 18,000. What the hell? My position is open. Oh my god, one of my position is open, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, 18,000. Okay, let me just book it right over here. The touch and go strategy, guys. The touch and go strategy. Guys, can you see my live position right now? 18,000 profit already in, and I have locked my profit. Well, I totally forgot that I had placed an order. And this is in the live market, guys, in the live market analysis. I hope you can see this. 17,000. I don't think it'll come up, although I have placed the okay, it's coming down. 14,000. I should have taken that. जो भी है जैसे भी है 15,000 profit booked. It hit my stop profit, and yep, that's 15,000 for today. So tell me, guys, touch and go strategy, isn't it great? 15,000 profit booked already. Okay, alright, and so what exactly I have done, guys, is that I have placed the order at a major, just below the major support, and I totally forgot about that. Oh my god, it would have been a really bad bloodbath for me itself. So I had placed a major order, and okay, and it hit now. Not Lots were not high, not really high. I guess I had taken 10 lots, but I had placed it really down for the touch and go strategy. साला 3000 ले लिया हराम खोर. I should have booked it, नहीं तो mouse मिल जाता. Anyways, not getting too greedy, guys. Well, yeah. I had placed the order when I was speaking to you, Kumar, and I totally forgot about it. I had placed my buy order right, at this level, right below the support over here, which you can see. And then I didn't even realize that it had scooped up. As I was speaking, I was totally engaged in the trade, guys. I totally forgot that I had placed an order. So, and it's a good thing, I didn't square off, because if at that time I would have seen, oh, 10,000 profit, and I would have squared off, because today is a really volatile day. But, yeah, um, 50,000 profit is good, and we are still expecting one more impulse move, guys. One more impulse move at 130 coming up, and today we have got some money to actually play the market. Right now we'll be not risking the entire 18,000. This is called risk management, guys. 18,000 now exactly. I'll be placing my standard lot size is 10, which I place every day. So today I'll be placing not more than 5 lots, and I'll not be risking the entire 15,000 which I have earned right now. I'll be only risking about say, that's, I guess, I have decreased my risk by a lot. So this is risk management. If I make a profit, that's good, and if I make a loss, that's good. And I should not be more greedy. Obviously, getting 15,000 today in a volatile market is more than enough, guys. More than enough. What else do you need, right? In a day, how many impulses can you expect your experience? Kumar, in a day you can expect hundreds of impulses, hundreds, and you can expect a minimum of 20 impulse move. Hundreds of impulses, when can you expect? Today. Today is the day when the market is just volatile. It'll just make those impulses and go up. It'll come up, come down, come up, come down, and make huge shadows, huge. Can you see over here, Kumar? One huge impulse move towards the downside. When it was coming down, it had rejected, gone up again, made a green candle, then again it went down. This could have been an impulse move towards the upside if you would have placed a sell order exactly at this resistance right over here, when it would go up. Although this was not an impulse move, the price was hovering around over here. It didn't make the impulse move right over here. It went up, it sustained, and it went down. So if you would have placed your order right above the resistance over here, right above this portion, you could have gone this. Yeah, VIX is +5. Okay, so how much is the VIX? Let me just check it out. Okay, just let me close this position, guys. I'm getting a bit hungry too. Did you have any food, guys? Make sure that you're taking care of your health, not only trading whole day. 20 profitable impulses. Yep, 20 profitable impulses. Today you can expect, Kumar, and 20 that too good profitable impulses. And in order to catch that, you need to make sure that you are placing your order really below, I mean far below the prices, far below the expected prices. Because if the price is hovering at, say, the call option right now is hovering around 250, you place your impulse for your impulses. Considering that today is a volatile day, you place your impulse move buy order exactly at 150, 100 points below, so that when it comes down fast, it'll bounce up. It's just a simple example which I want to give you. No, it doesn't work in a sideways market, Kumar. It doesn't work in a sideways market. Only when the market is trending it'll work. Sideways market are not for option buyers, Kumar. I hope you know that. I guess you are an experienced trader, Kumar. You should not be asking me this. Sideway market is not for option buyers, it's only for option sellers. You only enter into a position when you think that the market is moving in a direction, and that too with some kind of force. Your position should be either in a good breakout or in a false breakout. In a false breakout, your position should be in the opposite direction. If it's going up, your position should be towards the P side, and you need to know where to place the position, right? Kumar, don't ask stupid questions. You're experienced. I know that. You don't need to, guys. You don't have to question yourself. Acknowledge the knowledge which you have. Okay. Always think that yes, you have the knowledge. You know the basic stuff. You don't have to ask about that. You don't need my validation for that. But yeah, the things which I have learned, I will definitely teach you. Okay, Kumar, so one more thing which I want to say about the impulse move, guys. So my current position right now is 15,500, and you were asking me the lot size which I had taken. The lot size which I had taken is, okay, where's the lot price up? 25p. Okay, 15, 5, 5, 18. It's not showing me the lot size, guys. I guess I need to check my order book. Yep. So as I was saying, guys, I did take a lot of lots today. As you see, 5 lots, 10 lots. 10 is the standard lots which I operate. Can you please explain what are the steps to follow to place an order in impulse move set clearly? Well, Kumar, right now please observe how I place my orders. Okay, as I had mentioned, you have to place your order below a major support or resistance. Okay, below a major support or resistance, but make sure that you are careful. Otherwise, if the market turns, it'll be really bad. It'll be your bloodbath. These are extremely risky positions, guys. You need to practice. I had practiced a lot, so now I know how this mean reversion technique works. But previously, when I was a newbie, I also have incurred a lot of losses. So right now, just observe how I make the move. Just observe, and look, you were telling me whether an impulse move can be taken in a sideways market. The impulse move which you can expect is this small, this much. So will you be making anything over here in this sideways market? No, right? You won't be making anything over here. So even if it comes down, if it goes up, it's basically zero for you, right? So you can't expect an impulse move in a sideways market. Only when the market is coming down over here. Look, Kumar, when the market is coming down over here, it'll touch the support, it'll go up, take a retracement, it'll come down really fast. Just below the support, it'll come down really fast, it'll go up. And your buy order should be placed somewhere around here. I have placed my buy order somewhere around here, and I forgot. Is that clear, guys? What? Is that clear? Good. And actually, Kumar, to be honest with you, you want quick profits. You are an option buyer. What are you are? I mean, what do you do exactly, Kumar? Are you an option seller or are you an option buyer? Where are you more experienced? Tell me that. Just having some food which I got from my home. Is the impulse move mean reversion the same? Almost the same, guys. Almost the same. Only difference between an impulse move and a mean reverting move is that mean reversion. The mean reverting move is it moves slowly. Impulse move, it's just an impulse. You take an impulse decision. I'll go to New York, I'll go to Las Vegas. Chalo, man kya, New Year, chalo, we'll go, we'll spend 1 lakh. It's an impulse move. You go and you come. You won't stay over there for long, right? In Las Vegas, you don't have the money. Right? If you have, then it won't be an impulse move, that'll be a mean reverting move. You'll go to Las Vegas, you'll stay over there, you'll sustain over there for some time, and after you get bored, eventually you will mean revert to where? To India. You'll mean revert to India. But impulse move is, you go to Las Vegas, you took a decision in haste, and the decision taking in haste is never good, it's always risky. You took a decision in haste, you went to Las Vegas, you came back. That's an impulse move. Come and go. And your profits will also come and go. Okay, Shubhadeep, yeah, bye, take care. Okay, yeah, Kumar. So if you are an option buyer, you have to follow the trend. You should always be with the trend, and sometimes in case of a false breakout or a false breakdown, you need to be against the trend. And when you're against the trend, there's risk, right? And there's risk, there's a high amount of reward too. Guys, are you having any position, Kumar? What's the status of your holdings? Are you holding any stocks, anything? Good. Better not to do bhavishyavani over here. We are traders, remember. When investors lose, we earn. That's how it is. When market moves downwards, we earn. When market moves upwards, we earn. Investors, they only earn while the market moves upwards. So intraday traders are always ले लेता है investors का always. चलो आज का स्टारबक्स का कॉफ़ी तो पूरा पैसा वसूल हो गया है कि नहीं? Did you ever try Starbucks, Kumar? Did you ever try Starbucks? How much capital? How much is your capital? My total capital, my bank balance right now, it's currently somewhere sitting around 6 lakhs. And for trading, I'm using only 20,000. My demat account, I don't maintain anything above 20,000. Today I have earned 20,000. I'll be withdrawing that today itself. I mean, I know I have earned 15,000, so I'll be withdrawing that. Taking into consideration the brokerage and all of those things, maybe perhaps I'll be withdrawing 10,000 or 12,000. Let's keep some money for tomorrow's session. And as expiry approaches, I will be slowly withdrawing even more amounts, because expiry days options are extremely cheap. You don't need to maintain anything above 10,000 in your account. You can buy the options at 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees. So what's the use? You don't want to lose that day. The option price will be 0 that day, right? How is your parents support? My parents doesn't support me, said. Sorry, I'm saying said. My parents doesn't support me, Kumar. I support myself. I am 25 right now, and previously I had a business which went good when I was there, when I was supervising it. But I went back to my studies when I didn't get that much of time to look after the business. It went sideways and it went down, and when I was incurring a lot of losses, I had sold off the stake. And yeah, from there I had started YouTube. I'm also a cinematographer. I design short sequels and videos for companies, get some profit out of it. And coming on to this CFA, which is Chartered Financial Analysis, I have completed my level 1, and after completing my level 1, I prepared for the level 2, but the level 2 examination never happened. It got cancelled 2 times because of corona, and even this year I think it might get cancelled. So I am doing one more course, which is from Imoulse. It's called investment banking course. So I took the course during the weekends. I had planned it out so that I can do the live streaming, I can be in the market, I can trade in the market, and the placements provided by them is also quite good. But I'm not quite sure whether I'll be taking the placements or not, because if I'm making good money in the market, if I'm making 1 lakh, 1 year 1 year experience of trading, Kumar. But in my 1 year experience of trading, what I did is that I have taken classes from the best. I have taken classes from people who are profitable traders, who are best in India. Some of the names are Pintu. He is a really good profitable trader. Pintu's lines, you can check out his channel too. Pintu Advisory, I have taken his class. I have I have been in the Shanky's channel. I also have learned a lot from him. I have seen some other channels like CA Akshay. I have also been in his channel for a long time. I could make out the false break in, break out, and break down after observing his levels. And now yeah, I have my own channel because I thought, okay, if I'm trading whole day, if I'm in the market, let me just open a channel. And since then there has not been any downfall after I had invented my impulse move, because this move, which you see, no one actually takes a trade over there. No one no one uses that impulse strategy. Who is your mentor? Pintu. Pintu didn't invent the impulse move. Pintu has his lines, okay, his support and his resistance. So right now his lines are not working because the market is at its all-time high right now. So as the market is at its all-time high, his lines, his support and resistance are not there to support him. So he's not trading, and he has told me and all of his students to stay out of the market. But as I'm addicted to the market. I can't be out of the market. I I need to trade. This is how it is. So not need to trade, but at least I want to be inside the market. I don't want to be outside the market. How many years do you have, Kumar? I guess you have more experience than me. See the impulses which it's making right now, but these are not sustainable. These impulses are not sustainable, as there are no support or resistance over here to support it. Just around 6 months. Kumar, you can learn a lot more within 5 months. Within, if you have been trading over 3 months, then you are a trader already. You know how the market moves. If you have been trading continuously for 3 months, by not taking any break. But the difference, what is the basic difference between a good trader and a bad trader? There are many traders who came to Shanky's, this thing, session in Goa, and I have seen them. They are trading. They are like 70-year-old, 40-year-old, and they're still trading. They're still trying. They're still not successful. That's why they're there, right? That's why they were in the Shanky's trading seminar. So what's the difference between them, and what's the difference between some of the youngsters who are making millions? Those youngsters have taken the plane to learn and invest in yourself, learn the courses. And how would you can't learn just from anyone, right? You need to learn from profitable traders. You need to learn from those people who are making consistent profit. So ask them, sir, show me your P&L. If you are seeing a profit on a consistent basis, anything for anything more than 30 days or maybe 60 days, that means he's a profitable trader. And that's where you need to invest. You need to beg him, sir, teach me, how do you do it? Music volume, alright. You don't like the music, Kumar? Yeah. Yeah, tell me if I'm audible right now. Close this. Yeah, Kumar. Hello. Is it okay now? Is the music fine? Kumar, for the mean reversion strategy, you know, let the market slow down, let the market come to a bit of a you know smooth movement. This movement right now in the market is not good for the mean reversion strategy, but I'm telling you, if you know how to use the touch and go impulse move, you won't need any mean reversion, you won't need anything rather. You will be earning a lot, literally. It's again approaching the resistance. If it breaks this, if it breaks this level, it'll go down really badly, let me just check the major support from the, yep, there's nothing over there. Okay, there's one level over here. This actually might, this gap over here which you see, this gap might might serve as a support, and this gap, the movement over here in this gap is really volatile. It would be really non-directional, and you should not take any position over here. Only if it sustains below this level, only if it, अरे यार आजा, okay, only if it sustains below this level right over here, the price sustains. If it breaks and sustains right over here, then only it will be a sell order, otherwise no, otherwise it won't be a sell order. What's your age, Kumar? Just give me one moment, Kumar. I'm just updating this in my Telegram channel. Okay. You are doing so good in your young age. Kumar, there's no age for trading. There's literally no age for trading, Kumar. You can do well even when you're 15. You can do well even when you're 20 or 80. It all depends upon how much you have observed the market, whether you know how to study the tick size or not, and whether you can find the direction of the market, how the market is moving, right? It doesn't matter whether you are 10 years experienced. If you're still making losses, then what's the use, right? So 15k profit today already. That looks really good for today, and I think today we are gonna make more profits. It's 15k, it's just a number, guys. It's just a number, and even if it's like 15,000 loss, it's just a number. I'll be there every day, sitting in the stable. I'll be trading every day, loss or profit, jo bhi ho. Remember, if you're a trader, then you need to be in the market to grow. You can't just, okay, vanish. Today I made some losses, vanish. Tomorrow I made some profit. अच्छा, headphone का पैसा आ गया, मोबाइल का पैसा आ गया, खत्म, गायब, market से गायब. If you're like that, then market is not the place for you. Need to get some charge, and also need to buy a, what do you call, a power bank for my phone. Bro, बैंक निफ्टी कितना गिरेगा आज? ओके, टेक अर्थ, ऑलराइट. बैंक निफ्टी अगर आज गिरेगा तो बहुत ख़राब गिर सकता है, बहुत ही गंदा, because already the market is in a negative sentiment. If you see the global news, let's just check out the global news, guys, once, because it's also important to keep a note of what the FTSE is doing, what the what the Bloomberg people are saying. Your target for Bank Nifty today. Look, right now I'm not in a mood to give any target. Right now the market is in a hanky-panky situation. Whether it'll go up or it'll go down, it we are keeping a very diverse view right now. We will hold our position. We will not trade unless and until it shows us a valid direction right now. But for that, to validate that, we will just check out the news. We will just go to Bloomberg, because I know there will be a huge movement. Bloomberg Live, there will be a huge movement exactly at 12:30 to 1:30. Alright, and that's when we'll try to catch our impulse move. Already earned 15,000 profit today, don't want to lose that, obviously. uh, let's check a few news, what's Dow doing and all that. Right now the markets are not exactly open. I believe the only market which is open right now is Hang Seng, which is the Hong Kong market, and I guess the South Korean market, which is Kospi or Kospi, I don't know how you pronounce that. Tech Earth, make sure you subscribe the channel, bro, if you like, my streaming, and if you wanna earn, if you wanna learn the impulse move, definitely subscribe my channel. My position today, if you want to see my position book, I would love to show you. You know, there are many fraud people in the market who don't show their position book because they're just scared. They won't trade, they won't do anything. Session has expired. Okay, they won't trade, they'll just do live streaming and try to get super chats and earn from there. But I am not like that, guys. I will be showing you my position. Whatever position I'll be taking you, or you can also take the position and you can also make the profit. I was already at a profit of 18,000, but I had to square off my position at 15,500, as you can see. Yeah, I saw you, and firstly I subscribed you. I'm looking positive person. Thank you, Tech. Thank you, Earth. So as you can see, my position is 15,500, and make sure when you're following someone, ask them about their PNL. If they're not showing their PNL, that means they're not trading. If they're not trading, that means they don't have guts to trade in the live market. And you don't need to follow anyone who is not trading, who doesn't have any guts to, you know, follow the live, who doesn't have any guts to trade in the live market, because all the back testing and everything works when the market is closed. When the market is closed, everyone is king, right? And when the market opens, tab sab bhigi billi. Okay, we're just gonna check out Nifty, guys. The position right now, nothing is looking really clear over here, but Nifty kya kar raha hai? Okay. So Nifty is also trying to come towards the downside as per the 15-minute chart over here. We draw some lines. I don't actually like the Fibonacci retracement that much because it totally, ruins the chart. I like to keep it like really plain and simple. This is the level right over here, you can see. See, again the impulse move right over there, Kumar. Can you see this? Can you see the support over here? If you would have placed a buy order right over there, you could have caught this impulse move, and then there was a gap. And then there was a gap, huge gap. But this was the gap of opening for today, which I had already predicted. Guys, tell me if you can notice any buffering in the video. कुछ buffering है क्या वीडियो में? बफरिंग है कुमार? अच्छा ठीक है, चलो मेरा थोबरा अच्छा से दिखाई देने से ही हुआ. I hope I'm looking good. I didn't get any time to take a shower too. Just went to the gym, got up in the morning at 6, went to the gym, rushed to the apartment and got some food, and then rushed to Starbucks. I was in a loss of 1,300 in the morning because I was trading in the car, and you should not trade while you're traveling or in the car. Never. Never trade while in the car, guys. The only trade which you can do while you are inside a car is you can place an order at its absolute lowest, observing the charts. So say if I want to place an order when I'm in the car, if I want to place an order, because I won't be there to observe the market, right? So let's say if because I only trade in Bank Nifty, and I believe you should trade in just one index or stock or whatever, because when you're trading in one index, you know how it will move. You know it's your baby. You know how the market moves and everything. When you're trading in multiple indexes, you won't know how this stock moves, how that stock moves, and you will get confused. So Bank Nifty is the best index to trade in as of now. And if you were in a car, if you were to place buy order, you would place an I would place my buy order over here, somewhere at this level or this level, exactly at the major support, below the major support, so that if it comes down also, it goes up, and by the time I see my account, I'll be seeing greenery, not red. But some people, yeah, actually Kumar, people trade in Nifty because Nifty is not wild. Nifty is not wild. Nifty is very polite. Nifty is a gentleman, you can say. Nifty bhola bachcha hai. Bank Nifty बिगड़ा हुआ बच्चा है. Bank Nifty will move wildly. I don't know whether you guys were in the live market in the morning. The volatility was immense in options. Oh my god. I mean, it just hit my stop loss and it went up. And I was like really frustrated seeing the loss in the morning and having to come to Starbucks. Obviously, I need to spend something over here to sit over here. Definitely, it's not cheap to sit in Starbucks and to be live stream from Starbucks. But yeah, I was frustrated in the morning. And the movement which it was making, it was like a live, it was like a mad horse. You know how a mad horse is. It'll kick, it'll kick you, will just go anywhere it wants. Or a mad elephant. Joby here. So the market is not making a move. Let's just check out the indexes. So as you see, guys, the index, in the markets which are open right now, S&P 500, these are the these market were not open at that time. Yeah, so FTSE, it okay, is this yeah, this is live. Okay, so this the market has not opened, guys. The European market did not open right now. This is the update for the previous day, which is Friday. Today is Monday. I just want to check out the and show you guys the Hang Seng and everything. क्या है, कोई न्यूज़ है कि नहीं? कोई न्यूज़ है कि नहीं? Bloomberg news. Guys, can you hear this? If I turn on this thing, can you hear this thing?
On Friday, we had that bombshell from AstraZeneca saying that it may have to really drastically reduce their deliveries because of a glitch. Now, the European governments are saying that they have signed a contract.
I think you can hear this news, right? You can hear this news too. Okay, just turn this off. The sun is out. See, I have to use my sunglass right now. But some people don't trade it. If not, we can, yeah. Okay, Kumar, have a nice day. Take care, bye. Do join me later onwards if you are free. Okay. Create a first. And Kumar, if you have not checked out my vlog channel, definitely make sure to check out my vlog channel too. I need to put that link, yeah. Oh my god, I'm new to this live streaming and I need to put in a few links over here and a few hashtags so that people can find me. Okay, let's just do that quickly. Placing order, it seems. We'll join in the afternoon. Yes, yes. No, I'm not placing an order. I'm not placing an order, Kumar, right now. Market is not moving. Why should I place an order? Don't you have office? Do you work anywhere, Kumar, or are you like a full-time trader like me? Where do I Where do I place this? Where do I place this? Mini feed. Start replay buffer. Okay. Not working, said. It's not working. What exactly is not working? Come on, just tell me. I'm actually trying to add. I'm just ending the stream, and I'll just be starting a new stream, guys. Join me in the new stream. Okay. Oh, you're not working anyway. Alright, come on. Guys, can you please join me in my new stream? I'll be starting a new stream right now because I need to put some overlays over here. Alright. I'm just starting a new stream, guys. Join me in the new stream. Make sure to turn on the bell icon so that you get notified.